This is the 9x6x6 black shipping boxes, pack of 35. Company sent me this product to check them out and make a video for it, so let's do it. They arrived safely, packed up real nice, just like this. And inside this box, you are going to get, believe it or not, 35 small shipping boxes. The boxes are made from 1.5 millimeter thick 32 ECT corrugated cardboard. ECT means edge crush test. This means the corrugated cardboard can withstand 32 pounds of vertical pressure per linear inch before crushing. It's the most common industry standard for standard e-commerce and retail shipping. They're super lightweight and pretty sturdy as well. They have these listed at 9x6x6. That is going to be the outer dimensions of the box. Once we fold the box into shape and measure the inner space, we're going to get about 1/16 of an inch less on the inner diameter on each side, just due to the thickness of the cardboard. Hardly any loss at all. These are easy enough to fold up when you're ready to use them. Everything lines up really nicely, as you can see. They work good with standard packing tape, and the fact that they ship flat inside the box make them easy to store on a shelf or out of the way, or just keep them inside the box they arrived in until you're ready to use them. As you can see, they have this black finish on them, which I like. It's kind of a neat look if you're trying to make an impression, I guess, like you're sending a boutique or a special item. Definitely looks better than a plain old brown box. Here's a 4x6 shipping label so you can get an idea of the size of it compared to the box. That's what I use for online sales. I find that these boxes are great when I have to ship electronic items like a pedal. I like to be able to save a few by putting paper filling inside of the box. Then I wrap my pedals up like this in bubble wrap, set it in here, and then cover the rest with paper filling or foam fill, something like that. And it just fits in there perfectly. So there you go. This 35 pack of shipping boxes would be great for small businesses, home businesses, e-commerce orders. Great for sending gifts or shipping things like smaller books. VCR tapes fit perfectly in here, DVDs, candles, all kinds of stuff. Like I said before, for me, these are great for shipping electronic items like guitar pedals. There's enough room in there for me to throw some stuff in and then form a protective layer of bubble wrap around what I'm shipping and then put packing peanuts in or whatever. So I feel good about it arriving safely. Very nice.